Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 24th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be a number 1398. And how many printed numbers are there in this Sudoku? I think 26, because the previous one has 27 printed digits. So I think this one has 26. Let me count. 2 plus 3 are 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 3 is equal to 17, plus 3 is 20. 20, we have here 5, 25, plus 1 is 26. Correct. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. We have in this big square 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Also there 1, no 1 in this box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. No, 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about the number 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. In this row, 4 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is an 8, we see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. How about yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 in the third row, a 2 in one of these 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 9, 5. Well. Alright. 2, so should be the 2 there. Alright. 3. Oh no, 3 we have here. 3, 3. 4 should be here. Let me think. Well. Interesting. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. 4, alright. 4 should be here. 4. I cannot continue with the 4. How about 8 should be here. 7. 7, 7, 7. 9, 9, 9, 3, 3, 3. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in the first row, a 3 and a 7 in this column. So the 3 and the 7 cannot be in these 2 boxes. The 3 and the 7 cannot be in that box. So the 3 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 3 and the 7. 3 and a 7. That means 3 boxes left. One of the missing numbers is an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this first row for the number 6. So we have an 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, first digit, alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. In the second row, we have a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 7. Alright. That means in this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here or could be there. In the last row, we have a 3 in one of these 2 boxes. In the row above, we have a 3 over there. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 5. 5 is missing. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. Those two dots are reserved for the 3, so this dot should be the 3. Then I cannot continue with the 5, but we see a 3 in this column, a 3 in the first column, so the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 2, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Alright, and now 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 6. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used, I can see. Digit number 4, 1 digit left in this row for the number 6. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 5 is missing. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used, I can see. Digit number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left. Oh, here, 2 numbers left. Should be the 2 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 7. How about these 2? The 2 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2? 2 and the 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this third row for the number 6. 1 number left in this column for the number number 9. Number 9 is missing here. 3 numbers left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We have a 9 now, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. These 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. 1 number left in the third column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 7 and 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 7 and 6, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. Yes, finish in 15 minutes exactly. Yes. Great Sudoku. I like this one. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.